Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Batchko again, and I'm actually going to talk to you today for our spreadsheet data is how we are going to record all of our answer choices. And we're going to be using a program called Excel. And you may have to search for Excel on your computer, and there's a couple of ways. You can go to your Start menu and type in EX, or hopefully you see it on your desktop. And there it is for me. It's that green rectangle with a white X. I'm going to double click. And then when it comes up, it's going to ask you, do you want a blank workbook? And that's kind of like asking if you want a fresh piece of paper to work on. And hopefully you say yes. And so you're going to double click on that blank one. And we're going to maximize the screen by pressing the maximize button that's in between the minimize and the X. And then from here, we can start to get to work. But the major thing that we want to accomplish right now is we want to be able to save this because this project is going to take some time and we're going to be working in the computer lab for quite some time on it. So we want to be able to save it and come back to it. So what you want to do is you want to find the word File, and you're going to do a Save As. You're going to select Computer. And then off to the left, you should see something that's your last name and first name. Now mine's just Batchko J, but you should have your last name and your first name, and I want you to double click. And this is like your private place. This is only for you. You can save all your work, and as long as you stay in Castleberry, you will have this work from the first time you put something in there, if it might be kindergarten, all the way through high school. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this as Data Collection. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and type that file name so that we all have the same one so that we can all find it quickly. And then you're going to hit Save. And it might take a little bit. And when you're done, you should see up at the top that now it has a title. And that way we can X out of it. So then next time when we come to the lab, we can double click. And we can open it up so I can open other workbooks. And I can go to my computer. And again, I can find my name. And there it is waiting for me. And then I can start to get to work. So I want everyone to be able to open a spreadsheet, save it. I want you to practice Xing out. And then I want you to practice relocating it in your network drive, which is your last name, first name. And then we can get started recording all of our data from asking the class. Okay, boys and girls, good luck.